In South Africa, we face daily challenges and it's a never-ending story. Crime rates is through the roof, setting new world records. The government, well, let's not elaborate on that. We all know how wonderful this government is protecting the people in this country. Now, people don't have other options available to protect themselves, protect their families and protect their properties. This is the salt pepper ball pistol. So I'm going to say right from the start, this is not a real firearm. It will never replace a real firearm. But there is thousands of people looking for alternative ways to protect themselves using non-lethal products. And this is exactly one of those products. Now, there's many reasons why people are looking for alternative non-lethal weapons. Some is feeling maybe not confident handling a real firearm and obviously dealing with the consequences when you pull that trigger in a scenario that you didn't ask for to be in the first place. So I'm not going to go into any technical detail about the salt pepper ball pistol, but what I do want to say is that this pepper ball pistol is completely different from other brands that's available in the market. The materials that have been used to build this product is made out of good quality. This pepper ball is robust, it's effective, it's efficient, it's accurate, it's reliable, and the projectiles leaving this big barrel is traveling faster than well-known products that's available on the market. And there's a variety of projectiles available. There's training balls, there's salt balls, there's marking balls, there's practice rounds, rubber balls, Teflon balls, pepper balls, and extreme pepper balls. So we're going to test this product on our stuntman. We're going to shoot him a couple of times in the front and the back using rubber balls, and then we're going to use the pepper ball shooting against the tree to get a bit of a powder splat on him, and then we're going to take half of the law enforcement pepper ball and wipe it over his face to see if there's any reaction. The results is speaking for itself. The rubber balls pierce the skin, blood is coming through, severe pain to the body. The pepper ball caused temporary blindness, confusion, difficult breathing, and it's definitely a potent mixture. When you purchase a salt pepper ball product, you get a pistol, magazine, live rounds, impact rounds, and practice rounds. And the pistol is powered by a CO2 gas cylinder. For more information on the salt pepper ball pistol, read the full article in the December edition of Wildland magazine. Also contact National Cartridge, they are the importers, and if you're still not convinced that this product is working, well then I invite you with open arms to come and stand here so we can do the same test on you.